Welcome to LexTalks, Legal Topics Simplified, your companion for exploring the fascinating world of law.
Dedicated to law students in India, we break down complex legal concepts into digestible bites, fostering a deeper appreciation of the law.
Through engaging conversations between two voices, we aim to shed light on the intricacies of the legal world, offering new perspectives and insights.
Please note that the content provided in this podcast is AI-generated and is intended for informational purposes only.
While we strive for accuracy, we encourage you to refer to your textbooks and university resources for a complete understanding of legal principles.
Thank you for listening to LexTalks. Follow, subscribe, and stay notified to never miss an episode.